Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this game box, this retro gaming console. As you can see guys, it is a tiny console, promises a blast from the past with its retro games and cute inspired design. It is perfect for kids and young at heart, as you can see guys. So guys, this is the package. As you can see guys, it comes with the different colors, and this is the box guys. So the box is not bad, as you can see, it's not that bad. And it is let's see what it is saying we have inside. So the console has 3 inches wide LCD. It is portable. You can play through TV, and it has backlight function. We have a powerful rechargeable battery pack, which include AC adapter and a lithium ion rechargeable battery, up to 6 hours of continuous gameplay. So guys, let us unbox and see what is inside, or what comes with the box. Wow. So let's set this one aside. Now guys, what we have inside, we have this aux, would we call it aux cable, what do we call it? This we have this is not 3mm jack, but we have this cable to connect to the TV. This is one is for the video, and we have for sound or audio. Then we have a cable, USB a micro. This is a micro USB cable. Micro USB cable is very short. This is for charging. It's very short guys. It is for charging. Then we have a controller. This is a separate controller. You can use this when you are connected to the TV. Then we have some manual. This is the manual. We have the manual here. Then we have the console itself. The packaging is not that bad, I can see. So the build quality is shaped like a mini version of the classic consoles, like Nintendo Game Boy. And this one, it has gorgeous macaron colors, so it is differentiate from those other consoles. Then it's light. This Game Boy is this console is very light, and the buttons feels responsive. So these are the buttons. We have the YB buttons. We have the reset. This is for resetting. We have the pads for direction, these ones. We have start, and we have select. So this is for select. Then we have the speaker. We have the speaker here. We have nothing here. Then we have on and off. This is on and off, so you slide it to turn off. We have the charging port. Then we have a port where you connect your TV using this cable. So you connect it here. So I don't know if you can connect your earphones, but this jack is very small. I don't think you can connect your earphone or headphones. Then we have a wheel here. This is for sound. You can reduce your volume with this knob. Then we have the battery here. This one, we have the battery, kind of those used in the Nokia those Nokia which we were used before, so can look like that one. Then it is portable, as you can see guys. It's very small. You can put it can fit on your pocket. You can see guys, you can put it on your pocket. Then guys, what we have it, so let us turn it on and see how it is. So they claim this battery lasts for 6 hours for continuous playing, so that is a good thing. So you can play for long, and it's very nice guys. It reminds me of my childhood when we had this one. It's very nice guys. So let us turn it on and see how it looks like. So what you do, just slide this one like this. Wow, as you can hear, we have sound. So this is a speaker, and you can increase, you can hear, you can increase or reduce. Then the first thing we have is you can select your language. We have Chinese and English. Is a good thing to put on this console, so that you can it's very so that you can access your language faster. So let us select English, and the sound is not that bad. It's high, but it's a minimal. I can't say it is that much or it is that small, but you can it's tolerable. Let's just say that, but let's reduce it for a while. Then let us play one of the games. So let us select English. So you can see we have, it has 501 games. These are all the games guys. You can see we have many games here, but others looks like it is repetition, although they are inserting like number 2 and 3. We have a lot of games here guys. Let's me play one so that we can see it. I liked when I was during my time, I liked this contra. I liked the contra so much, so let us select the contra. Yes, so let's play this one. Wow, that brings a lot of memory guys. I remember these games. Wow, you can feel like you are crying. Wow. Whoa, sorry, I restarted by mistake. So let us wow guys, this thing brings a lot of memory guys. So let us start again. Let me select one player this time. One player. Wow guys, this game console brings a lot of memories guys. Wow. Wow guys, it's very nice. I can't even imagine looking at this one. I remember my childhood. It's very nice. It's for kids. You can use it, you can give your kids, or you can use if you like it. But because also when you are trying to think about the price is around $4, so that is very cheap. So you can manage to buy it or to buy to your kids. So it's very nice guys. So I think this is a good product guys for the time, for this for now. You can use it, you can buy for your kids. It brings a lot of nostalgia factors. This really brings back memories. It is amazing how much fun you can have with something so simple like this one. Okay guys, and I'm really impressed with this design. It is for the portability and the nostalgic factor about this game, and it's a perfect for quick gaming sessions. The only problem with this is the screen. The screen is very small, and which might be a downside for some. And the game selection is limited to preloaded games, so you cannot add other games to this console. You are limited to the one which are already installed. So this console is perfect for kids. It is perfect for collectors or anyone looking for a cute and portable gaming device to relive those retro gaming moments. And mostly the cheapness of this, I said I bought it for $4. It's very nice guys, and it is if you are a fan of retro games or just love cute gadgets, this is definitely worth checking out. And guys, so thanks for watching guys, and if you enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite retro games, and I will see you in the next video. So bye.